Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the switch and detaching the controller. This reduces risk and preserves settings. Once done, visually inspect the joystick, buttons, and rails to find obvious debris or wear. Use a small torch or phone light to spot corrosion or broken plastic. Make sure to work on a clean, static-free surface and keep screws organized by step. This initial diagnosis tells you whether cleaning, recalibration, or part replacement is needed and prevents unnecessary disassembly. You carefully remove screws, separating the shell while watching for ribbon cables and the vibration motor. Ribbon connectors release with a small latch, so be gentle. Once opened, clean button membranes and contact pads with 90% plus isopropyl. This dissolves oils and restores conductivity. For drift, clean the joystick base and consider replacing the potentiometer if cleaning fails. Reseat springs and foam pads so tactile response returns. Make sure to blow out dust and re-inspect contacts before reassembly. You reassemble the controller in reverse order, ensuring ribbon cables are fully seated and screws are snug but not over-tightened. Uneven torque can warp the shell. Once assembled, pair the controller and run calibration in system settings to verify axis centering and button mapping. If inputs fail, repeat cleaning or swap suspect parts like the joystick module. If drift or erratic behavior persists despite replacement, consider a warranty repair or a new controller as the most reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.